Hi everybody! Welcome to another tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how best to apply your Splash liquid lipstick. Step number 1, go ahead and pick your favorite lip liner and fill in your lips, especially the corner of your mouth. Next, taking your Splash liquid lipstick, go ahead and scrape off any excess product from your brush. The trick is to have as little product on the brush as possible when you are applying the product on your lips. It will go on smoothly and evenly, and you can even use the tip of your brush to outline your lips. See how easy it is? There will be no glopping or blotchy lips if you use this technique. And then you are done!